Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs Chapter 11 Phylum Mollusca, Molluscan Success. Let's start. All of the following are unique to the mollusks except one. Select the exception. Mantle. Shell. Visceral mass. Head foot. Correct answer, shell. Which of the following is true of the radula of most mollusks? It is used in reproduction. It is used in excretion. It is used in rasping food. It is used in gas exchange. Correct answer, it is used in rasping food. The mantle of most mollusks is modified for locomotion. Is used in attracting prey. Secretes the shell. Supports the radula. Correct answer, secretes the shell. Which of the following is true of the mantle cavity of a bivalve? It is the area where water circulates during feeding and gas exchange. It is the space between the mantle and the shell. It is the space between the pericardium and the heart. It is the space where blood circulates before being returned to the heart. Correct answer, it is the area where water circulates during feeding and gas exchange. The mollusks are most closely related to the other Lophotrichozoans, echinoderms, other Edicizoans, chordates. Correct answer, other Lophotrichozoans. Which of the following is true of the visceral mass of a mollusk? It contains the gills. It secretes the shell. It is used in locomotion. It contains gonads and digestive glands. Correct answer, it contains gonads and digestive glands. Mollusks can be characterized by trochophore larvae, and they are deuterostomes. Planula larvae, and they are ecdysozoans. Trochophore larvae, and they are Lophotrichozoans. Planula larvae, and they are deuterostomes. Correct answer, trochophore larvae, and they are Lophotrichozoans. All of the following mollusk characters would be found in a member of the class Bivalvia, except one. Select the exception. Visceral mass. Head foot. Mantle cavity. Radula. Correct answer, radula. Members of which of the following mollusk classes would be characterized by a shell consisting of 8 plates? Eplacophora. Polyplacophora. Monoplacophora. Cephalopoda. Correct answer, Polyplacophora. Members of which of the following mollusk classes would be characterized by a reduced head, a mantle that surrounds the entire body and a tusk-shaped shell? Scaphopoda. Bivalvia. Polyplacophora. Gastropoda. Correct answer, Scaphopoda. Members of which of the following mollusk classes would be characterized by their complex nervous systems, a head in line with the visceral mass, and a closed circulatory system? Eplacophora. Polyplacophora. Monoplacophora. Cephalopoda. Correct answer, Cephalopoda. Dash is a developmental process that occurs in gastropods and results in a 180-degree counterclockwise twisting of the visceral mass and mantle cavity. Gastrulation. Epiboly. Involution. Torsion. Correct answer, torsion. A dash is a mucoid mass that extends to the stomach of gastropods. It contains trapped food particles and is rotated by cilia. Protostyle. Umbo. Crystalline style. Gastric shield. Correct answer, protostyle. Members of the gastropod subclass Pulmonata are predominantly freshwater or terrestrial. Their mantle is modified into a lung, which opens to the outside of the mantle cavity through a siphon. Pneumostome. Umbo. Operculum. Correct answer, pneumostome. Water exits the mantle cavity of a bivalve through the dash and the excurrent opening. Water tube. Incurrent opening. Suprabranchial chamber. Pericardial cavity. Correct answer, suprabranchial chamber. A dash is a developmental stage of a freshwater bivalve that is parasitic on fishes. Veliger. Trochophore. Planula. Glochidium. Correct answer, Glochidium. Which type of cephalopod possesses an external shell? Cuttlefish. Nautilus. Squid. Octopus. Correct answer, Nautilus. Which of the following is generally accepted as the prevailing explanation behind the evolution of intelligence in cephalopods? Their complex social structure. The fact that they typically live long lives. Living as active predators as well as actively avoiding predators. The pressures exerted by living in both marine and freshwater environments. Correct answer, living as active predators as well as actively avoiding predators.